How to create a WhatsApp group on Android. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. To create a WhatsApp group on Android, you can follow this step. So go ahead and launch the WhatsApp app on your Android device first and then log in into your account. After that, you can go to the chats tab, usually at the bottom of the screen. It will directly set it by default, but if not, you can head over to there and you just need to tap on the three dot at the top right corner, and you can look out for this option of new group from the menu to create a WhatsApp group. So just go ahead and tap on it. And then after that, you just need to select of the contact that you would like to add on the group. For example, I've already selected two contacts right here. So the next thing you need to do is you just need to go ahead and create up a group name. So just go ahead and create up a group name that you would like for your group. So just go ahead and do that. And you can set up the settings as well. If you want the disappearing messages to be turned on, you can turn it on. We have the script permissions as well. You can set it up if you prefer. Once that is done, you can just go ahead and tap on the check mark in the bottom right corner, and it will finalize your group members. And you can add a description to provide context for the particular group. So this is it. You can follow this method in order to create up a WhatsApp group on Android. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials, and we will see you in another video.